Integration of trigonometric functions. There are 6 formula for integration of trigonometric functions. Okay, as you can see in here. Okay, as we know that doing the differentiation is much easier than integration. So instead of memorize the 6 integration formula, it is better if you just memorize the formula of differentiation. So I'm not going to use this 6 formula anyway, but I gave it to you as your reference. Okay, so I'm using the formula of differentiation, for example. So I'm directly use example to show you or to explain to you how you can use the formula of differentiation. Okay, so for the first example, you want to integrate sine 3x with respect to x. Okay, so take note that sines comes from the derivative of differentiation. So you can write your derivative here. You remember that sines come from cos. Sin 3x comes from cos 3x. When you derive cos 3x, you will get negative sine 3x multiplied by 3. Okay, or you simplify it, negative 3 sine 3x. Okay, differentiate cos 3x, your answer is negative 3 sine 3x. Means integrate negative 3 sine 3x dx will give you back cos 3x. So we will use this as our reference. Compare this one, this info, with your question. Okay, which you can see that your question is lack of negative 3. So no problem. Okay, we make it negative 3 here. We create negative 3. We put negative 3. So what do? We multiply by negative 3, but at the same time, we divide by negative 3. We can change the original value. We just change the form of your question. Right, so this one, negative 3, this negative 3, you put it in here. So now your question will become negative 3 sine 3x dx, and this other negative 3, you put it in here, in front of it. Okay, so now this one is exactly as same as this info. Okay, so your answer will become negative 3 cos 3x plus c. So what do you need to do in here, or the most important part in here, is the differentiation itself. Okay, you just memorize the differentiation. So to solve that, to solve your integration by using your differentiation. It is important for you to know the differentiation itself. Okay, so let's see another example. Integrate cos pi minus 2x dx. Okay, so integrate cos. So for cos, it is the differentiation of sine. Okay, the same angle, pi minus 2x. Okay, so differentiate sine pi minus 2x. It is cos pi minus 2x multiplied by negative 2. So negative 2 cos pi minus 2x. Okay, negative 2 cos pi minus 2x. So compare your answer here with your integration. Alright, so you have cos pi minus 2x, cos pi minus 2x, but you just let off negative 2. Okay, so we put here negative 2. Okay, so negative 2. So negative 2 cos pi minus 2x. So that we don't change the original value. If we put negative 2 here, we just need to put another 1 over negative 2 in front of your integration. So they are equal. We don't change the question itself. Okay, so this one, negative 1 over 2. Okay, so what we have here is the same as the answer of your differentiation. Okay, so negative 2 cos pi minus 2x. Okay, negative 2 cos pi minus 2x comes from sine pi minus 2x. So it is sine pi minus 2x plus c. Okay, another example. Integration of secant squared 2x over 5. Okay, so remember that secant squared is the derivative of tangent x. Okay, sorry, tangent. Okay, it must have the same angle. Okay, here our angle is 2x over 5. So that in here is also 2x over 5. So differentiate tangent 2x over 5 is secant squared 2x over 5 multiplied by 2 over 5. Okay, so we have secant squared 2x over 5, secant squared 2x over 5, but we only lack of 2 over 5 in here. So our question is lack of 2 over 5. Okay, so you put 2 over 5 in here. 2 over 5 secant squared 2x over 5. Okay, we modify the question. We put 2 or we multiply by 2 over 5. Okay, so that we don't change the original value 2 over 5. So we put another 5 over 2 in front of your integration. So it is as same as the original one. So this one. Okay, is the answer for your differentiation. Means that integrate it. Okay, will give you tangent. Okay, tangent 2x over 5 plus c. Why do we? It is the best way for you to use this method. Why? Because in the same time solving the integration, you also can memorize the differentiation. And we know that the derivative is easier, much easier than integration.